Hey guys, it's John from the team, and today I am doing another video. And as you see in the corner, you see a Facecam. Yeah, it's the new application I use, and it's pretty cool. Facecam. As you see in the background, in the back of me is my bed. Alright, so we're going for solo insane. So Alright, so the longest as it can go is 15 minutes. Now it's actually pretty cool that I actually can use a Facecam now. Alright, this is the first chest. Iron armor, they're trash. Just some lag. Oh, this lagging. Wait, and let me just pick up this stuff. Sorry about that. My throat feels a bit weird. Oh, he has a knockback rod. Oh, we won that fight. He won that fight. Yeah, I could. Yeah, you guys can tell by now that I'm really terrible in Sky Wars. I have 1,000 kills, but I only have 60 wins. People have 1,000 kills and they have 200 wins. They have like 200 wins and they have like 1,000 kills. And I only have 60 wins. I haven't even made it to 100 wins yet. You know, I'm not even close to 100 wins. I won't be close though. But please say in the comments if you want me to keep the face cam or not. If there's no comment, then I'm keeping face cam. Okay, that's fair. Alright. Okay. Whoa. Oh! That flame shot. Alright. He's missing all the shots. Oh. Ah! Miss! I doubt it reach, so. I already have boots. So, yeah, let me just find a guy. Oh, it's this guy! Oh, he's wrecked. Oh, I'm so dead. I died. That's great. Okay, let's pick. Okay, that's a good Russian carry, guess. Some people need rush. I have a sword. I need. Oh, I'm so dead. I knew I was dead. I knew I was dead. Yeah, he had so much armor. He had diamond armor. Alright, so we're gonna do round 3. Maybe we'll get a win, or because I'm so terrible at this game, maybe we won't. Actually, we won't for sure. I'm terrible at this game. Alright. Oh, I got killed! Oh! 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 I'm done. We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. I'm just speaking in the microphone. We're so gonna lose this game. Switch. Go. Cause I'm not a master at the bow. I'm not a master at the bow. I'm terrible at the bow. I am so bad at the bow. Cause I'm terrible at Sky Wars. I am terrible at this game. I hope you enjoyed the song. It was a great song. I worked extremely hard on that song. I worked so hard. No, I'm just joking. I just made that up from the top of my head. Okay, let's go to mid. I don't want to die at mid. Oh, no one looted the chest. That's a bit sad. I just came to the chest expecting like more diamond armor, like a chest plate, and all I get is wood. That's all I got out of a chest. That poison? Where comes that? Oh, 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 oh! Can't die, can't die, can't die. I can't die. I can't die. I can't die! That guy's still chasing me. Yeah, he's still chasing. Oh, oh, this guy's stacked. That guy's stacked. I knew I was gonna die. That guy's so stacked. No one's here. Okay, we got a game where a lot of people are here. So, yeah. So focused on this game. I'm so gonna lose this game. There are PvP pros in here. And I can't play it. I don't like normal mode because normal mode is terrible. All this stuff in normal mode is it's nothing. It's not gonna help you. All you get is iron sword, iron stuff. And computers, that's all you can get in normal mode. Well, in insane mode, you get full diamond armor, stuff like that. Oh, I accidentally put away the blocks. You have full diamond armor, and then you get protection 10 diamond armor or something like that. Well, it's not protection. There, I just had to move my face cam. Just moved it. In the next video, I'm gonna move it. Because I'm not gonna use that at all. I have 2 lava buckets. Yeah, I have 0 kills, as you can see. That's how bad and slow. I'm so slow. By the time I loot my last chest, everyone's dying. I hope they're not teaming. If they are, I'll report them. Okay. I'm gonna win! Do it. Get out of the fire, Wait, what? Who's that? Whoa! Oh! I would have had that if I had more hits. No, again, no one in this lobby. Okay, this is gonna be the last round. We gotta win. We at least gotta win. Oh, we gotta win this. We gotta win. I need to be good at grape applesauce. Even though I'm not gonna be as good as it's not gonna happen. Just move the face cam. The annoying face cam never lets me. Okay. Now it's like. And put away that. I'm on my second chest, and everyone's already. Oh, I'm dead. This guy doesn't have pants on! Oh my gosh. I am so bad at Sky Wars. I am terrible. I'm so bad. I only have solo kills 1,170. Solo wins 60. I'm terrible. Well, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye.